Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to do a Dutch pour. I have a 12-inch wood round and I actually got them in 1/2 inch this time, so it has a nice thick, it's a nice thick layer. I normally do 1/4 inch, but sometimes those warp because they're just a little bit too thin, and with the amount of moisture that you're adding to the wood, it can warp. But I have a variety of colors mixed up. They're all mixed with floetrol and water. I'm using about probably more like 3 to 4 parts floetrol to 1 part paint, and then I just add water until it's the consistency that I want for pouring. I have white, blue, 2 shades of turquoise. One is a metallic, one is not, and then I also have a copper color. I mixed in a little bit of a light rose gold with it to lighten it up just a little bit. But I'm just gonna do a negative space. I'm gonna do more white on top and then some of that blue at the bottom. And then I was planning on blowing my colors up. So we'll see how that turns out. And then I also have my little hair dryer here with that nice little concentrator on the front. This is just one that I've been using lately that I really like. So I'm just gonna take my white and put some of that down towards the top. And then I'll use one of my sponge brushes just to smooth it out and get a nice even coat, and also try and make sure that my sides are covered. And then at the bottom, I'm gonna put my blue. And again, I just grabbed another little silicone spatula and I'm just gonna smooth that paint out. That's pretty good. I'm not, since I wanted some negative space towards the top, I'm not doing the blue that far up. And I just want to make sure I get a nice good coverage at the bottom. I can always touch it up later. And now what I'm going to do is just add in my turquoise and my copper right through here, and then we'll just blow the blue over that. And I just leave my hair dryer on low. On the high setting, it gets quite warm and I don't want it to start drying a lot of my paint, portions of my paint before the rest of it starts drying. So I just leave it on low. The copper and the turquoise, or that aqua green, are creating just amazing cells throughout here. So I think I'm gonna leave this as is. I kind of wanted that to be a little bit more flowing out, but I don't want to keep adding paint to it. So I'm gonna let this dry as is. This area is just absolutely gorgeous. The edge isn't my favorite, but like I said, I don't want to keep adding paint. So we'll just see how this dries. No, I may add a little bit of white and blow on it a little bit more and just see what happens. If I ruin it, well, then I learned my lesson. And instead of using the hairdryer again, I'm just going to gently blow. Oh, that's better. There we go. So I like the way that those edges are. They're not such a hard edge that I had before. I think that'll look really nice once it's all dry, but for right now, I'll let it dry and I'll get some pictures of it. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I really like the blue at the bottom and then a little bit of that white at the top. Hopefully my cells stay and dry nicely, but just this whole middle portion just looks fantastic. So I'm really happy with the cells that I got. Like I said, it's just floetrol and water. I don't have any silicone in it. You can get some really nice cells, and hopefully this will dry nicely. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next one.